Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 4th, 2025, and we're diving into BioNTech's latest earnings report. BioNTech, a leader in mRNA technology, has just released its Q2 2025 financial results. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch, to help us break down the numbers. John, welcome.
Thank you for having me. BioNTech has been at the forefront of mRNA technology, especially with their COVID-19 vaccine, Comirnaty. I'm excited to delve into their latest financial performance and strategic developments.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. BioNTech reported a revenue of €260.8 million for Q2 2025. However, they also posted a net loss of $386 million. John, can you walk us through these figures?
Absolutely. The revenue increase to €260.8 million is primarily driven by their COVID-19 vaccine, Comirnaty, which contributed €153.3 million. This is a significant jump from the previous year, largely due to higher sales volumes. However, the net loss of $386.6 million reflects ongoing investments in R&D and operational costs, which are crucial for their long-term growth strategy.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.31, but BioNTech reported an actual EPS of $1.60. What does this discrepancy tell us, John?
This EPS miss of 0.29 cents indicates that BioNTech's expenses, particularly in R&D and operational expansions, were higher than anticipated. While this might concern some investors, it's important to note that BioNTech is heavily investing in its pipeline and future growth, which can lead to short-term financial strain but potentially long-term gains.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. BioNTech's R&D expenses were $509.1 million and general administrative expenses were $117.7 million. How do these figures align with their strategic goals?
These figures highlight BioNTech's commitment to expanding its pipeline, particularly in oncology and infectious diseases. The high R&D spend is indicative of their focus on developing next-generation immunotherapies and vaccines. The administrative expenses reflect the scaling of their operations to support these ambitious projects.
Legal and regulatory challenges. BioNTech is facing several legal and regulatory challenges, including ongoing patent disputes. How might these affect the company?
These legal challenges, particularly the patent disputes, could lead to financial liabilities and distract management from core operations. However, BioNTech has a robust legal strategy and is actively defending its intellectual property. Regulatory oversight is a constant in the pharmaceutical industry, and BioNTech is well equipped to navigate these complexities.
Key takeaways. In summary, BioNTech's Q2 2025 results reflect a company in transition, heavily investing in its future. While they reported a net loss, their revenue growth and strategic focus on oncology and infectious diseases are promising. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. BioNTech's commitment to innovation is clear, and while there are challenges, their strategic investments could pay off in the long run.
And thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on BioNTech's performance in the comments below.